Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this TONBUX Oversized bike seat for men and women and basically for everybody. It's a very comfortable bike seat replacement with white cushion. It's waterproof and it has this very special unique ventilation part here in the middle which helps you to keep you cool and not sweating. Usually when you buy a new bike they come with these very stylish seats, but unfortunately they only look nice and they are not very comfortable. If you're only bike riding maybe once a week or once a month, then they are way too hard. They are super hard and they cause a lot of pain, and that's why I've decided for something much more comfortable. You can see it has a lot of cushion here, and this model comes even with 4 different colors. You can have it green, blue, red or black like this, and underneath we have these double shock absorbers, and we have this standard dual rail system to mount. Comes even with this extra mount, so if you only have the post you can mount it directly here, but if you have already a seat like this then you can remove this and use the rails, and this is what I'm going to do now. So we can easily remove the screws here, and then we remove the brackets on the side, and then we can remove the center part. So I'm untightening here the screws of the original seat, then we can turn it to the side, and now let's put it back to this seat here, and you can see it has exactly same width. So it was a very easy 5 minutes job to replace that. So I'm going to put the whole thing back into my bike and now trying and then let you know how good I think this really is. Yeah, I've been riding the bike now for about 1 hour with the new seat, and I can definitely confirm that it's a huge improvement, so much better than before, so much more comfortable. Yeah, I could definitely ride for hours with no problem before. After about 30 minutes or so there was about the limit where it got almost unbearable, but definitely not with this seat. So huge improvement for me, so I can highly recommend it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.